Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and today we will see how we can buy Weverse membership. So for that search for Weverse on Google and after that make sure that you search for Weverse shop and open the Weverse shop and just log into your account. And if you don't have an account, just create one. It is quite easy. And after opening up your account, just choose the artist for whom you want to buy the membership for. Suppose you want to buy a membership for BTS, just select the global, USA or Japan. You get three options to choose from. Suppose I'm choosing the global one and then I will just click on open link in new tab. And after that, this is how it will appear. And on the top, you will see this option of membership. Just click on it and here you will find the membership. And that's how you buy a membership on Weverse. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.